Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Start with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most gracious. Dear class, my dear classmates, and my dear viewers, ladies and gentlemen, and now come to our topic. So I have written some success, and I have written a definition on it that you are successful when people ignore you, they laugh at you that your lifestyle is bad, your dreams are not that much good. Then they ignore you when you do a little bit, you are consistent with your goal and you improve your lifestyle. Then they laugh at you that you are doing nothing, your lifestyle is too bad. Then and finally when they laugh at you, and then they try to fight with you because they are trying to stop you from reaching your goals, because they are thinking that if you become great, so we will become your lower parts. Then they, at least when they fight with you and they cannot stop you, so at least you win. And final result, you are a winner, you are a game changer. So success is doing what people, what makes you happy. Probably when in 97% of the American people who are doing jobs right now in America, they are not satisfied with their jobs because they are not built for these things. They are not satisfied from their job because they are wanted to doing some other things and they are doing some other things. He wants to be an artist, he wants to be a painter, but he is now doing doctorate, and he is a nurse or anything in a hospital, so it is not his goal. Then I have written some keys that how we can get successful, what is the way that we will get success in our life, what are the key aspects, what are the quotes of magical quotes of getting success. So first I have written set goals. In our Pashto society, people don't understand YouTuber, they don't understand musician, they don't understand guitarists, because they understand just doctors, engineers, lawyer, and manager, or bank accountant. So they are doing that. These things, when you do achieve in your life, you are successful. But success is not these things. Success is that thing which you find yourself happy in that. So our Pashto society has this big mistake that they are trying to push their youngers, their sons, their daughters to that field that they want. And when they go, they are not satisfied, they are not good enough, and they get lower marks in that field, and then they try to do suicide. And then I have written that if you want to be successful, your goal you convert your goals to must, and you are willing to sacrifice for them. So what you will do, you will start earlier. Scientific studies show that every successful person like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, who is the founder of Amazon, they are getting up much more earlier than their workers, because they want that if we start our day earlier, so we will finish our day late. So we will have more time to invest in our business, invest in our life, and make our life more stylish, more loving, more satisfying. So in the Quran, there is also, in Muslim Ummah, there is also said that you should get up early for the prayer, for the Fajr prayer, because when you get up early, your mind is fresh, you can do exercise, you can do relaxation, you can connect with Allah, you can memorize Allah, you can read the Holy Quran, something you do is positive in the morning, so it affects for all of your day. Then you can to know that say no. It means learn to say no. You know, there are some backbiters, there are some energy drainer people in our society. They are draining our energy. How they are draining our energy? You will be positive, you will be relaxed, you will be good enough. But when you meet with those guys, they will be broken from inside, and they will break you. They will tell you such a story, such their life problems, such their nonsense, that your own believer that you are believing, they will become unsatisfied, and you will become broken. They are draining our energy, they are stopping from our goals, they are trying to stop us from our goals. So learn to say no. How we will say no? Don't fight with them, we will not blame them, we will say no in a positive way. We will say no like they don't get that no. We will say that, man, please, I am doing something meaningful. It is my goal, it is my life, it is my seriousness. I want to do this thing. So then you will say no to these people. If you want to see the result, A school bus has 50 seats, 50 seats, and a Lamborghini or Ferrari has 2 seats. So they are that much energy drainers. The true friends in 50 is one and millions of one. Because a true friend gets serious, gets itself serious when you are talking of your life goal. He supports you in every situation. Then start today. You know, the biggest lie that you can tell to yourself is starting tomorrow. In our Pashto society and other societies, they are saying that I will start tomorrow. So it is not that way. You won't start tomorrow because tomorrow never comes. If you say I will start tomorrow and tomorrow you say I will start again, then blaming the days, that wastage of time never comes back, because time is that thing. If you don't use it, it will never come back. And nowadays time is the modern currency. And smart work and hard work. So some people that they are doing hard work. People in America or in other countries, if there are some people and they are working levers and other things, so they call them donkey, because they are using their software, not hardware. They are using their hardware, not software. They are just doing work like donkeys, animals, so people call them donkeys. And smart work. Be a hard worker and smart worker. If you are a hard worker and you are not using your software, so you will become a donkey. But if you are using your software and you are not using your hardware, so then people will call you a dreamer. They will call you a mentor. And then look for a lever. If I tell you that there are 3 tons of weight